How to add a button in Wix Studio. So in order to add a button, just head over to where you want to add it. Then from in there, click onto this plus icon or this add elements option. And then from in there, it should be able to open this. Click onto this buttons option that we can see right here into our left sidebar. And then from in there, choosing here from basic buttons, styled buttons, as well as pay buttons. So for this case, I'll just choosing here the styled buttons and I'll input this view more. And then I'll just drag it to the page right here. So you can just proceed to drag it and then put it wherever you want it added, just like that. Now, once it's been added, we can head over and click onto the settings option right here. And then change in here the text. I'll put in here this text for get your tickets down. You can also adjust its length and width through this case as well if you would want. Now from in here, you can choose in here where it will be linked. So I'll choose in here this choose link. And then from in there, it should open this. So I'll choose in here the events page. Then click on done. Now you can also change the layout of how it will look like. You can click on this right here, then open the actual inspector icon. And then we have here. So for this case, just scroll down. We have in here the background fields. If you would want to add that or utilize that, you can change the color for that as well. As of right now, it's white. You can change it into pink or whatever you want to be it. So that's how you add the button in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.